So this video is going to show you how to prepare a trial balance. Hopefully you already know how to post from the journal to the ledger. And what I have on the screen here is the ledger that we did in the earlier video. The ledger has all the T accounts and it shows the ending balance for each T account. Now what I want to do is to summarize this information into one simple table, and that's called the trial balance. And this is what your trial balance will look like. So we have a heading first, the who, the what, and the when. Who, that's the name of the business. The what statement are we looking at? And when, what is the date for this statement? And then all we do is we copy the name from the T account and the ending balance. Now, cash is in the debit column, and so we copy that down here, we write cash, and we put that into the debit column. So the order for the trial balance, we include all of your assets first. And all of your assets will have the balance in the debit column. Underneath the assets, we then include the liabilities. And if you have a look up here, you can see the liability ending balance is on the credit side. And so we copy the balance into the credit side. Underneath liabilities, then we have equity. Now for equity, we do the equity, then we do the revenue, then we do the expenses, and then we do the dividends. So remember that our capital and revenue are credit side, but then our expenses and dividends, the balance is on the debit side. When you add up your total debits, it should be equal to your total credits. Actually, it's the same number that we got when we checked in our ledger. So what's the point of preparing a trial balance? So a trial balance summarizes every different account and it shows the balances in the debit column or the credit column. What do we use this for? We use it to make the financial statements for the business. So the last step is going to be preparing the financial statements, and that's something that we've already looked at in Lecture 1 and Lecture 2. So you should know how to do that already.